Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Calendar for optimized scheduling workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type calendar.google.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click Next. Now, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your password for accuracy. Click Next again after entering your password. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Calendar. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side, you can view your calendars and adjust their visibility. Click on the plus icon next to other calendars to add additional calendars. Next, explore the toolbar at the top for options to create events and reminders. To create a new event, click the Create button located in the top left corner. Fill in the details for your event, including title, date, and time. You can also add guests by entering their email addresses in the Add Guests section. Make use of the additional options to set notifications or make the event recurring. After filling in all necessary information, click Save to add the event to your calendar. To optimize your scheduling, explore the settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right. Under the Settings menu, customize your calendar appearance and notifications. Consider integrating Google Calendar with other tools you use for improved workflow. Now that you're logged in and familiar with the features, start maximizing your scheduling efficiency. Regularly check your calendar and update events as needed to stay organized. With practice, you'll find Google Calendar a valuable tool for managing your time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.